Hey guys, how you doing? Just got some breaking news on more earthquakes here. Looks like Indonesia off of Java, there was a 6.9 magnitude earthquake. Also, there's a tsunami warning that was issued on that off the coast of Java in Indonesia. It was 32 miles off of the capital of that. And so I believe there's some evacuations happening on that. Also, keep in mind that Indonesia has a lot of volcanoes that are active. So, but this was offshore, so could be on the plates, the fault lines on that. Also, there was an earthquake yesterday off of Chile, which was a 6.8 magnitude on that. So there's a lot of activities happening on the Ring of Fire toward Indonesia and that kind of area now. So we'll keep you posted regarding that. As you know, right now, breaking news: 6.9 magnitude in Java off of Indonesia. Tsunami warning has been issued on that because it's off the coast. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button to get updates on new videos and news that are happening on that. So thank you for listening. Mahalo.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.